So as you know, we are constantly working on making things faster and smoother. And this time we worked on the workflows here. We made it more consistent with the other parts of the app. And if you hit plus, you'll see how fast it just creates a workflow. Hit enter, plus, enter. And again, if you create the elements here, you see how they are instantaneously created by just clicking the specific element itself. Now with assets, it's very similar. Click here for the file manager, hit plus, you see how fast the folder is created, plus again, and with the right click, again, you can change things like renaming and deleting. Same thing with these three dots, rename, delete, and there you go. And not only that, if you're in the canvas, you might notice that once you create a component, it's also created really quickly. And once you edit it and save it, it also happens almost instantaneously. So let's go ahead and edit the master here. And let's change the background color so we see it better. There we go. Okay, and the next thing we have are variables. So this is a new way of overriding things, but also allowing you to control what your users or clients have in the editor here. So let's do that right now. We have this whole header selected, and let's go to settings, and we have the link here. So if you hit plus, we create a variable by clicking create variable, and there you go. Hit somewhere outside the box to save it. There you go. And we have that. Now if we go to design and editor and imagine your client is clicking this, they can now set a link for this. Now of course, not only links, we can change other things, like let's go to the header and let's go edit master again. And this time let's click this text here and go to settings. And now we see this plus by this element. Click it, create variable. There you go. Change the name if you want. Title, that will be easier to understand for a client. And let's go click here. And again, we can click content, create variable, and let's go with subtitle. Okay. And now, again, let's say your client is working on this editor here. They click it, they can change the link, the title, and the subtitle. And let's say if they change the page, they have that specific component available to them here. Scroll down, here it is. Click, there's the component. They'll probably want it a little higher up. There we go. And now if they hit that specific, let's close this for clarity, they can change the link, the title, and the subtitle. Love it. Now in the designer mode, we also have a new field. So if you have, let's say, blog posts and specific categories, you can now add a field, count field, text, use count. And what this allows you to do is count the categories and be able to show the categories, the count, to your website visitors. Now, I'm going to go into building this in another video, but just really quickly, this is Notion plates. And if you go all templates over here, this is what Matt built out. Use his drop down here, and you now see this is where it's used. Personal templates 161, 117, 91 for the business templates, etc., etc. So you're able to show how many of the specific templates, in this case, are available to your users. And that is all. Matt, thank you for allowing me to use Notion plates for this example. More about him and Notion plates in the description of the video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.